Hello, good afternoon. It is Thursday, September 12th at about 2:04 in the afternoon here in Minnesota. First thing I'd like to get out of the way right away this is going to be a short video. I'm seeing on YouTube, well, except for the people that are doing really long videos, some people have really cut down their videos to 11 minutes. I guess there's a few 35 minutes in here, but most of them are 6 minutes, 9 minutes. So I'm thinking I'm going to probably cut down the length of my videos because people's attention span, is not that long. And I don't think they want to listen to me blabber. Let's see, what else am I doing here? Hope everybody got their Windows updates done. There are a few critical reasons as to why you may want to do those updates instead of waiting. But the thing I wanted to get out of the way immediately is to Mr. Josh in Pennsylvania. Yes, your webcam works. I tested it today. That's why I know it's a Logitech 270. And the other thing I wanted to say really quick is thank you for the nice card there, Josh and Josh's aunt. Really, I liked it. Sending healing thoughts, mending thoughts, happy thoughts, that you'll be your healthy self again soon. Josh and Aunt Mary and the Zim homies. Thank you, guys. And yes, you'll be glad to know, hear to know, however you say it. My foot's back to normal. I'm back in my regular shoes. I guess I'll put that there. One other subject I'm going to cover, and then I'm just going to let you guys go. It's going to be, again, a short video. And again, it's because of what I'm seeing on my YouTube channel. Is people are cutting down the length of their videos from, 25 minutes down to like 5 minutes. All the new green sod put in. And okay, the story on this thing. What I have decided to do is take the CPU out of this board. And this is the Aurora B560, I think. I don't know, I can't remember. Yes. B560 Aurora's Pro. This is mainly a question for Jim. Jim in, KG3N or whatever his thing is, I can't remember. And I apologize for screwing it up. I don't have the best memory, but I think everybody in the Zoom homies know who I'm talking about. Looking for a new motherboard for that. It's the i9 1100. First of all, we'll get the 11th gen i9. And it's unlocked, but it's the i9 11900K LGA 1200. That's the CPU I have. Is that one. He's right there. It's under this heatsink. Jim and Brian and whoever, I have decided I want a different motherboard. Because also I snapped off the lever to whatever you call this thing, 16 slot or whatever. Yeah. I broke it clean off because I took a screwdriver after it because it wouldn't move. Hit a little bit too hard and I snapped it right off. New motherboard for this 11th gen i9 11900K LGA 1200. Yeah. Does ASRock have one, Jim? Because you've been talking about these ASRock boards and I'm kind of getting your opinion that they're the best thing since sliced bread because of ASUS. I don't know what's up with ASUS nowadays. I've also decided maybe I should ignore them for a couple of years because I was thinking ASUS, but then they have that overbolting problem at the LPA or LGA or whatever it is in the BIOS settings. Isn't that ASUS that's doing that goofy thing? Because ASRock wouldn't be doing that, and I know Gigabyte. Well, maybe I should go back to Gigabyte because now I don't know what ASRock is doing. I don't think anything. But ASUS, I'm going to ignore. The Gigabyte family, I think I've dealt with them for a number of years. I think I'm going to stay away from them. So I guess I'm stuck with ASRock. And again, I know I'm going to just burn it into your head so you don't forget. It is for the Intel Core Unlocked i9 11th gen. Don't forget that, 11th gen. It is 11900K LGA 1200. I needed a motherboard for it, folks. I think I requested this a couple of weeks ago and I got zero response. Maybe there isn't no more motherboards for this. Maybe I am out of luck. Maybe what the people are up here are telling me are right. I'm SOL. No, they're saying that because they only deal with 13th and 14th gen. They won't do anything with it. Oh, and I needed the power supply I can handle. The money amount I'm wanting to spend, I'd say it's a good $150. $150 for a motherboard that would go, again, I'm going to burn it into your guys' head so you never forget it. You have nightmares about it. This 11th gen 11900K LGA 1200 i9. That is it, folks. That is it. I'm going to get a new power supply. And the reason I can do this is because I have a very nice, I'll say it that way. Oh, that's the only thing I'm going to say is I got a very nice gift card from one of the Zoom homies that's allowing me to do this because there ain't no other way of me doing it. So, for now, at least until I get the family arguments settled and maybe I can start ordering things, but that's not going to be for a while, folks. So, that's all I had to say is thank you for the card, Josh and Josh's aunt and the same homies. You've always been very thankful to people when they're down and out, when they've got bad things happening. You people always reach out, and you always reach out in the best of ways. Oh, with that, guys, I'm going to keep this one short. It's going to be at about 10 minutes right now, so that's it. Jim, Brian, Ken, Sam, William, if any of you can all get back to me tonight on the Zim Homies, we need to find a new motherboard for that CPU. And I forgot to tell you, it runs off the Corsair Vengeance LPX memory. So this is the memory it has. There's 32 in here, not 64. The 64 is in here. As a matter of fact, this is the memory that will go in here. It's 64 gigs of Vengeance LPX. So there you go. Alright guys, I'm going to let you go. I've set it off. Hope you all have a good day, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye for now.